Okay, Carter, I have everything hooked up. I got the final part, the meter. I'll turn it on here in a second. We have it hooked to the motor in this, the Yamaha here. It's a QS 13870H V3, and controller's all hooked up to that. We have the 72-volt battery here, and your handlebars, and with the meter over here, which is going to be refreshed. Okay, so it's all set up and ready to go. We have 12-volt DC to DC converter in here. Now, I took and wrapped up a bunch of the wires that weren't being, the connectors that weren't being used. Okay, there's a lot of connectors and extra wires in there. If you want to go to street legal some days, they're all in there. And also in the back here, I bundled up a lot of the wires here too that you're not going to be using. Okay, all the rest of them are labeled very easily to both sides, so you can put them on together. And obviously this is the plus side of the battery, and this is the negative side of the battery, and they're legibly written on the controller. The plus always goes to the fuse. Anyway, so it's ready to go. So I'm going to turn the power on switch right here. Okay, and your voltmeter came on over there. So that is, now we have a voltmeter, and your throttle is right here. And so if I twist the throttle, we have throttle, okay, and we have our 3 mode switches here and our sport switch. And I'll put another video together with how to adjust these if you want to change things, and so on. But anyway, so the whole thing is all set up now. I will get it boxed up and on its way. All the connectors and wires that are over here are all marked. I also put in 2, let me see if I can go over there and show you, 2 12-volt plugs. So if you want to grab 12 volts for anything like headlights, taillights, or whatever, they're marked 12 volts. There's 2 right here. Okay, these 2 are both 12 volts. You put a headlight on them, taillights if you want, or a horn, or your charge for your phone, or whatever. Okay. So we're pretty much complete. This is, like I say, the QS 138 motor. I'm just using the wires off of it. And so we should be ready to go here. Like I said, I'll do one more video tomorrow. It's getting kind of late this evening, and I'll plug the interface cable in, which I'm going to give you, and it's right here. And it plugs into the wiring harness. There's one loose connector, which is this guy right here, and it's written computer on it right there. Okay, so that's where you plug your computer in with this interface cable. Okay, and we'll get you all rocking and rolling. Talk to you later.